This video will discuss about mass spectrometer, instrumentation and working of mass spectrometer. First, it have different part. Instrumentation part, it having different part. First one is slit A, second one is slit B, third one is slit C, fourth one is slit D, fifth one is slit E, sixth one is detector, seventh one is amplifier, eighth one is recorder. Now coming to that various chamber. First chamber name is called vaporization chamber. It is present in between chamber A and B, slit A and B. In between chamber name is called as vaporization chamber. The second chamber name is called as ionization chamber. It is presented between slit B and C. Third chamber, ion acceleration chamber. It is presented in between C and D. Next one is mass analyzer. Okay, mass analyzer. It is presented in between slit D and E. Now coming to first chamber. Here samples. Here only sample will be inserted. Okay. Here it having heating coil chamber A, that slit A in between A and B, vaporization chamber presented, it having heating coil. Second chamber is sample analyze chamber. Here electron gun will be present in the tungsten filament. In this chamber, electron collector, okay, here electron collector will also present, which will collect the electron. Now coming to that third chamber, it containing various ion electrodes. So it containing various electrode. First one is positive potential, second one is negative potential, third one is more negative potential. So it will accelerate that ion. Fourth one is mass analyzer. Here mass analyzer, here magnet is present. Here magnet is present. Magnet will be present here. They will form magnetic field. So it will form magnetic field. Due to magnetic field, reflection of that ion takes place. So here reflection of that ion takes place. So this is all about instrumentation of mass spectrometer. Now coming to working of mass spectrometer. So slit A and B in between vaporization chamber presented, B and C in between ionization chamber, C and D in between ion acceleration chamber, and in between D and E mass analyzer. After that we have detector, then amplifier and recorder. So first chamber, samples will be inserted. So here sample will be inserted here. That sample is solid or liquid. That sample may be solid or liquid form. It will converted into vaporized form. So it will converted into vaporized form due to heating, and heating is given by heating coiling. Here we will insert sample. It may be solid or liquid. All the samples will converted into vaporized form. Why means because of that ionization. Here heating coil is presented. Because of heating, all the things will converted into vapor form. Okay, vapor due to heating, and heating is given by heating coils. Now vaporized samples, okay, samples will go through slit B. It will enter this ionization chamber. Now electron gun will produce the beam of electron. It will produce the beam of electron that will strike that molecules, and due to this electron beam, that molecule will lose one electron, and ultimately it will converted into in the form of positive ion. This positive ion is known as molecular ions. So it will converted into positive ions. This positive ion is known as molecular ion. Here energy produced B will be approximately 70 electron volt. Here it will producing. So we will give solid or liquid form. It will, by using this heating coil, it will converted into vaporized form. So this vaporized form now enter to ionization chamber. Here electron gun producing beam of electron. Molecule will lose one electron. Ultimately it will converted into positive ions. It also have that name molecule ions. Now energy produced beam approximately 17 electron voltage. Okay, 17 electron voltage. This ionization potential of this molecule approximately 10 electron voltage. So normally 10 electron voltage only. Due to this high energy, this molecule ion M plus positive ions will converted in the form of ion form or fragment form. How it will convert? In it will converted into M1 plus ion, M2 plus ion, like that. And now these positively charged ions will go towards that slit C. Okay, uh, positively charged electrode will be there. Due to this positive charged electrode, these positive ions will be repent in this right side, because the right side negative potential will be there. Ultimately they will gain some velocity. That velocity that will enter that mass analyzer. Okay, so here it will converted into vaporized form, then it will converted into positive ion. Now it will move to the third chamber. Here all the things how it will process will occur. Here tungsten filament producing electron. Okay, all the electrons will converted into ions. Here all the electron will converted into ions. After that what will happen? That electron collector change that positive molecules. Here this electron acceptor will accept. Okay, so it will accept. After that all the molecules will converted into positive form. It will travel to that next stage, mass analyzer. Here separation takes place. How that separation process takes place? Different ion are deflected by this magnetic field by different amount. How that deflection will happen? Based on two characteristics. One is mass of ion, second one is charge of ion. These lighter ion are deflected more than heavier one. Here more charged, two or more positively charged molecules are deflected more, and comparing to only one positive charge molecules. So based on these two factors are combined into mass or charge. So it have that name mass or charge, molecular weight. Okay, mass means molecular weight or charge ratio. Lighter molecules will reach to the detector first. The larger molecules will reach to the detector first. Detector detect the time and radius of curve of that ion path. So here larger molecules will detected first, smaller molecule then. So ultimately larger molecule will reach to the detector first and smaller molecule will reach last. So these molecules will detected by detector. Here photomultiplier tubes is used as a detector. Here what is the detector? Photomultiplier tubes. Ultimately the signal will transfer to that amplifier. Amplifier will amplify that signal. Finally it will be recorded in this recorder. Okay, it will be recorded in the recorder. We will get mass spectrum. So this is the complete explanation of mass spectrometry. So here after that only we get that graph based on the molecular high molecular size and low molecular size graph. So signal from the detector are amplified and recorded as a computer result shows as a graph. So this graph format we have that result. What are the advantage? Less sample is required, fast, precise and reliable result. Both qualitative and quantitative analysis can be done. What are the disadvantage? Complex to use and expensive. It is complex and expensive. Some samples need period separation of molecules by chromatographic technique. These are the some disadvantages. So in this video we will discussing what are the part and working principle of mass spectrometer, advantages and disadvantage. Thanks for watching.